Hi everyone, and welcome to the next lecture where I'll be teaching you how to install and set up Visual Studio Code, commonly referred to as VS Code. Okay, so just a bit about Visual Studio Code and this installation. Okay, so we will of course need to use a source code editor to write our code. Okay, and of course, as you're aware, there are many source code editors out there, such as VS Code, Sublime Text, and Atom, so you can go ahead and choose whichever you'd like, okay, but I'd highly recommend that you use VS Code for the purpose of this course, so just bear that in mind. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install and set up Visual Studio Code, or VS Code you could say, and in the event that you guys prefer to follow a step-by-step guide, okay, there is a PDF guide attached under the resources of this lecture, so you can of course go ahead and just check that out instead. Okay, so that's it on this lecture. Hey everyone, so let's install and set up Visual Studio Code. So let's head over to Google, and we can just type in Visual Studio Code and download. Okay, so this is the option that we want to select. So download Visual Studio Code. So just select that. Okay, now choose the correct version for your operating system. So in this course, I am using a Windows-based operating system, so I'm just going to choose Windows. Okay, so let's just wait for the download. Okay, so once VS Code has been downloaded, you can just click on it. Okay, let's just wait for it to open up. Okay, first of all, make sure that you accept the license agreement. Then you can select Next. Okay, you can add to the path. This is important. Next. And now we can just select Install. Okay, so now we can see that the setup was successful. We can leave the box checked here, so we can launch Visual Studio Code, and we can click Finish. Okay, and now we can just wait, and Visual Studio Code should open for us. And there we have it. And there we go. So we have successfully set up Visual Studio Code. Okay, that's it.